Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I would like to show you how to bleed a clutch by yourself. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. The clutch pedal must be on the top position, like as now. Can't be down to the floor. If it's down to the floor, you have to lift the clutch pedal on the top position. This is very important. Next step, clean the reservoir and drain the old fluid and fill it up with new fluid. Now we have to wait until the new fluid comes up. You can see the dirty fluid in here. If the new fluid comes up, we have to plug in the pipe back on, the hose connector. We have to watch brake fluid reservoir and make sure that the reservoir is full of fluid. Otherwise we will get the air in the system. The clutch hose is connected and I put another hose for nipple, for Blitz nipple, so the fluid slowly dripping down and the bubbles comes up. So we leave like that for 5-10 minutes and always make sure that the brake fluid reservoir is full. Now the bleed nipple is closed and how you can see the pedal still is soft, so I have to operate up down with a clutch pedal. This will move the bubbles forward and we have to open the bleed nipple again. I did open bleed nipple again and the bubbles comes up, so we have to wait 2-3 minutes until the bubbles comes out and close the nipple again, and again we have to operate with the clutch pedal up down a few times until the pedal will be harder to press. Now the clutch pedal working better than at first time, but the pedal doesn't come up, so this means that the air is still in the system. So we have to move clutch pedal up down few times and bleed again. After the third time, the clutch pedal is solid. You can feel pressure on the pedal, and now you can feel pressure full time permanently. So this means that the pedal is the clutch is bleed properly, and I will leave like that for half hour, maybe hour, and if will be still the same like this, the tiny little plate is on the top, is every time on each clutch pedal. If will be still the same, will be fine. If not, you have to open the bleed nipple again and close again. Thank you for watching.